Guys, it's Nick. It's a hot Sunday afternoon here in Athens. I'm in Omonia Square over here. They fixed up the fountains over there finally. I'm going to take a little walk down, not the main street Athenas, but I want to go down the side street and see all the little stores and stuff they have over there. It's kind of an interesting walk, so let's go check it out. I haven't been up there in about 3 years, so I'm curious to see what's changed over there. A lot of electronic stores and kind of like Chinese variety hardware slash housewares and all kinds of weird stuff. And then you get to the area where they have kind of like a flea market as well, all kinds of old Greek artifacts, so to speak, old Greek stuff. So it's pretty cool to see. Surprisingly, looks like a lot of these stores are closed. It's only about 3:30 in the afternoon on a Saturday afternoon. I would think that this is a good time for them to make a lot of sales, but this is strange. And this is in Spain, so they don't close for a siesta as far as I know. So all glasses, hats, flags. Yeah, a lot of these stores are closed right now. Very surprising. What's going on over here? I know that Crazy Meat store is not closed, so I want to go over there, that place with all the sausages hanging from the ceiling that are actually plastic, just to make it look like it's filled with all kinds of meats. Get on this side because there's some shade. Different foods. Also, you have a fruit and vegetable market over here, which is like right across the street from the fish and meat market. 69 cents a kilo for tomatoes, 59 cents a kilo for tomatoes, 79 cents a kilo for peaches that's cheap. The supermarket by where I'm staying, peaches are like $2.50 a kilo. So these are really good prices. If I wasn't still going to be walking around, I would load up on some of these peaches and plums. I think they're looking really good. Yeah. Cherries $1.99 a kilo. That is cheap. Let's see. In the U.S., cherries are like, I think like $4 or $5 a pound or something like that. Maybe more. Maybe like 6 or 7. So there's the meat market across the street, the fish and meat. I don't know if you can see the fish in there. But here is the sort of flea market place. So, these old coins. So a lot of interesting stuff here, but looking at this, it looks like you know, the stuff they clean out of old people's houses after they pass away. A lot of this stuff reminds me of the stuff I used to see in my grandparents' house out here. That same kind of, you know, decor. Cat made a new friend over there. How much are eggs here? Okay, eggs are 14 cents an egg. Okay, they were at least $3 or $4 at the AB supermarket in Monastiraki when I went. So do the math. That is $1.40 plus 28, $1.68 for eggs. That's half the price of the supermarket in Monastiraki. So if you're staying over here and you want to fill up some eggs and fruits and vegetables for your stay, you'd probably be well served to come down here for an afternoon and just load up. But this is the sausage market, and these things might be real, but some of these are fake, I think that's fake. This is but last time I was here, my cousin got me some camel. I think this is the camel, and I tried it. You can't be tall in this place. But they got all kinds of fishes and delicacies and spices. But I'm not that adventurous with all this stuff. I stick with kind of the plain stuff, so I don't think I would attempt any of this. But it's a pretty cool place, and if you like to sample different stuff, they probably have some kind of sampler platter in there or something you can check out. So that's pretty interesting. And there's more places over here with like soaps and spices and whatnot. Man, you could smell it. It's a strong smell. You got these olive oil soap bars and a whole lot of dried out spices. I'm sure some of these will ward off vampires or something. But yeah, that's a strong smell. And cinnamon. Now, 18 euros per kilogram for some fresh cinnamon. That looks like a good deal, I think. So right up the street there is Athenas, the avenue that goes between Monastiraki and Omonia. So if you want to come out here, just coming from Monastiraki, you go up Athenas and you make a left on Evripidou Street. Evripidou Street. And right down the street here is a really awesome pork chop place, which I think I might try either today or someday on my trip. So guys, that's a little walk around the Omonia, Athenas, Monastiraki area, in between those two areas, and all the shops and stuff and things you can buy out here, which are some pretty surprisingly good deals, especially the food and stuff. So definitely come check this out if you're around here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys.